Hello everyone, I'm Jeff. This is our company, Guangzhou Zhimei Automation Equipment Company Limited. I will introduce a machine to everybody. This machine is called Cosmetic Powder Compact Machine. Look at this. The lab Cosmetic Powder Compact is a specialized tool designed for cosmetics manufacturing and research, enabling the compression and the shipping of cosmetic powder in a laboratory environment. This machine incorporates advanced technology to have both production efficiency and product quality in your laboratory. Our lab powder compact boasts high-precision powder compression capacities, ensuring powder uniformity and consistency to achieve the highest product quality. The lab powder compact offers efficient production capacity, enabling quick responses to small batch production needs in the laboratory, thereby accelerating product development cycles. Designed for simplicity and ease of cleaning, it reduces machine maintenance time and costs. Our machine undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure safe and reliable operation, protecting operators and the laboratory environment. The lab cosmetic powder compact is suitable for various laboratory settings, including cosmetics manufacturing laboratories, research centers, quality control labs, and more. It can be used to prepare a wide range of cosmetic products, including foundation, eyeshadow, blush, and more. If you want to know more information of this machine, please contact me immediately. We will give you all information that you want to know. That's all. Thank you.